Hello out there, wherever you are. As for me, well, I'm in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we're here to check out Escape the Arena, Amped Airsoft's Halloween offering. Now, this is the first time they're doing this. This is the first year, and it was funny. I actually saw this on either Facebook or an Instagram post, and it looked pretty cool. They're actually using airsoft guns. Most of these events use things like jelly ball guns or even like paintball guns when they're like attached to like some type of like vehicle of some type. We walked through a few events that were doing it with jelly ball guns, but this place is actually using actual airsoft guns, which is a first for us, not something that we've ever done on the channel before, and very curious to check it out. Now, when I did show up to Amped Airsoft, it did look closed. The entrance is actually on the side of the building, so be advised of that when you come in, because the front of the building has like a front door and it looks closed, but it's actually off to the side of the building. You'll actually see the entrance and you'll see the signs for Escape the Arena, but we're going to step inside Amped Airsoft for Escape the Arena, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Tom was here.
Hey, I'm Giancarlo Esposito. I'm watching Tom Was Here.
All right, pop this on. All right.
So these are your lives. So once you put that on, tighten it up. Make sure the two tabs are right beside you.
All right. I just do it like that. So then, okay. So then, let's see. Buckle. All right. Let's stretch this out. Let's see. All right. Oh, I got my stickers and stuff in there. All right. Huh? You try to figure that out. All right, let's see if I can load this monster on there. Here we go. All right. So then they're both going to be that, and then one on the other side.
Yeah, one on each side.
Okay. Here we go. There we go. Oop. All right. Make sure that's on there. Okay. All right, I got my lives here. Okay.
So, again, the field's going to be dark.
Yes.
So we have lights and all that stuff. So.
You want them like here? There you go.
Like that, and if you want to turn around here, I'll just tighten it for you.
There you go.
They do not turn on.
Yes.
So in order to work, you just need to pump that.
Okay.
You guys are going to get your pistols.
All right.
So easy to use that if you're not familiar. So if the slide's back like that, mag will go in, click in like that. Just pull that release. This one's dry, that's why. So, and it's ready to fire.
Okay.
When you are out of ammo, it will lock back.
Okay.
So once you're out of here, if you're out of ammo before you get to the resupply point, your goal is to get the resupply point to get more ammo.
Okay.
Okay. So in order to take that mag out, button right here, so right at your thumb, you're going to push that in, it's going to come out. You're going to set that back on the table, grab another one, throw it back in.
Okay.
There you go.
Cool.
Okay. So you guys have those, and I will give you these once we get up there.
Okay.
And I'll further explain everything to you.
Okay.
All
right, we're good to go.
So a couple things.
Yes.
So as you make your way through, so you're gonna start this way. There's dedicated path to go through everything.
Yes.
If there is a closed door, if it has an X on it, you can't go through that.
Okay.
It has an arrow, you are allowed to open and go through that.
Okay.
There's tarps on there also that you can't go through the tarps.
Okay.
It's just a blocker for you guys.
Fair enough.
So the actors, again, they're going to be chasing you.
Sure.
So again, limited ammo, so be conservative on how much you use.
Fair.
Again, get to the restock point, so if you run out, you need to get to that resupply point because they will continue to come after you.
Is the resupply point, is it here or is it like...
No, you'll see it.
It'll show you. Okay,
Yep.
all right.
Yeah, so there's a table down there and you'll have the mags on it.
Fair enough.
So, again, as you wave through there, their goal is to get the flags. They are your lives, so you want to survive by keeping your lives.
Sure.
Again, they won't touch you. Don't touch them.
Yep.
Again, the only time they're going to come close to you is to get your flags.
Right.
When you are shooting them, please try to shoot center mass.
Okay.
Try not to shoot them in the head.
Yep.
That hurts regardless of
Sure.
what we do for everyone.
Right. Yeah.
Again, if you lose your lives and you have no lives, you're still going to continue.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Can I still
Okay.
shoot people?
What's that?
Can I still shoot people?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. So, other than that, is there any questions for me?
I think so far so good. I think we're good. Yes, you good? Okay.
All right.
All right.
Well, you guys can start that way.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
All righty.
All right. I know, I'm trying to avoid that. Ooh. Conservative, sir, conservative. Did he get one of my things? Did he get one of mine?
He did get one of mine.
He did? He got one of mine too?
I don't know. Or no, wait.
No.
Yeah, he did.
He got one of mine too? Oh, damn. We're not good at this. There you go, one live immediately.
Alright, I got your 6.
Alright. Here you go. I was expecting people to come from behind. Of course, we got coffee. Alright, stairs. Alright. 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 Oh shoot. I almost got destroyed down the bottom of the stairs. Okay. Alright. Can we go that way too, or? I think we can go either way.
You get the front.
Alright. Oh! Oh! I don't even know what's happening right now. People are coming from behind.
Sneak up on me. You ain't gonna get the job.
Oh, did you see? Shoot. Okay, I said the door's closed with an X. Okay. So open with an X, we're good. Ooh. Oh, there's one. Alright. This is wild. Alright. 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 Wait. Ooh. Wait. You out? Alright, we have to go resupply. Alright. You have to find that resupply, brother. Alright. Oh shit.
Oh
You gotta go resupply. Where's the resupply at?
no! Go!
Ah, there's a dog. Can I pistol whip you up? Can I pistol whip you all? Ah, shoot. Alright. Wait. Oh, you left me here alone with no light. Okay, there we go. Alright. Need resupply, baby. We are out quickly. Oh, shoot. This is wild. Need that light. Oh. Okay. Alright. So there needs to be more resupply. What? I know you were. I knew you would be out way early here. Oh, here.
How do you
Wait. Yeah. Oh, word. Alright.
Oh shoot! I can't get it!
Ah! Oh, shoot. Alright. Alright. Okay. Problem is, you use like half your clip in.
I used 4 shots. I don't know how much is 16.
I don't know.
I think.
Alright.
Oh, he's not.
Alright. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Alright, yeah. I know. Hold on. Alright, I'm just trying to. Oh. Alright. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Oh. Run over bodies and stuff. Alright. Okay. Alright. Is this dead end?
There's a door here, but no X on it.
Okay. Alright. Is that the way to go or no? I forget the rules. I don't think that's the way to go, no? Or is it? Is it? I don't know. I don't know if what we did was right. I forgot about the... Okay. Oh. Alright. Oh! Ah, well done. Oh. Oh.
Sorry, if you guys just want to put the guns down here.
Oh. I actually had ammo.
Yeah, my last shot.
Wow. Whew.
Round 2.
If you guys are ready, you could head that way.
Okay. There you go.
Good luck.
Alright. Oop. I should switch to my dominant hand. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, we crawled under.
I didn't even know you could do that. There you go. Good job.
That's where that dude came from. That's what
Alright. 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 Ooh. Alright. Don't fall down the stairs. Oh! Whoa! Alright. 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 Don't you move now.
Oh, he's running. Oh, could I never find the sword?
You're all good.
Ow. That's the reason why.
He's back there. Alright. Who? Alright. Alright. Oh, okay. Oop. Oh shit! You came in through the window.
The window.
Alright, there's like a little window there. Alright, resupply. Oh, I still got. Can I just like, can I pocket it? I'm gonna pocket it and then I need it. We did much better with ammo this time around.
Oh shit, he right there.
Okay.
Oh shit, come on.
All right. Where are you running off to, sir?
Oh, we got it back there.
Oh. Huh. Come right back. Oh. Oh. Where you at? Where you at? Oh. I won't do one. I won't do one. Alright. Wait. I'm out. I'm out. Alright, hold on. Can I flip this? Ooh. Oh! I don't know. Oh no, wrong way.
Alright, you guys want to just take a picture down on the table?
Yep. Alright. Okay.
You put the lights and all that there too.
Wait. You get through both? Hey. Good job, guys. That was awesome. Back in the car now, and did want to speak about my experience at Escape the Arena, and man, that's pretty intense. You know, I talk a lot about this on the channel. I talk about the level of immersion, and if you've done something where you forget how you got into the situation or why you got in this situation and you're just lost in the moment, that's full immersion. And there are plenty of haunted houses in the area that do it. And for a first year attempt, Escape the Arena does it, and they do it, you know, pretty well. So first you're handed a metal airsoft gun with a CO2. Like, it's not something like a spring action or something like that. Like, when you shoot this thing, it pops. And, you know, walking through an area which we never walked through before, and these people were coming out, you know, these monsters that you've seen in movies, Michael Myers and Leatherface and you know, Jason, they're coming out at you, and the added game aspect is something that nobody's ever done before. So they put flags on you. So it's kind of like flag football, where you have a flag on each hip. And the idea is for the monsters to actually pull the flag off you, and the flag is like your lives, and you get 2 lives. So there's a video game aspect to it. You also have the ability to resupply as well. Now, the resupply area, which we found, is in like a back corner of the whole walkthrough. And, you know, luckily we found it both times, because they let us go through twice. And the first time we went by ourselves, and the second time we went with another group that was there. And both times, different ways it was played, and also different areas in which the monsters came out. It's not your cookie cutter, like this person's here and they're going to come out and get you. This person's here and they're going to come out and get you. No, they'll come from all types of different ways to come and get you. And I always talk about this as far as effectiveness of the weapon, because if you've been given a weapon for a haunt, the weapon has to be effective. Otherwise, you know, where's the level of immersion? If you cannot, you know, if your weapon doesn't do anything, then what's the point of having the weapon? And if you shoot a monster, you know, 1,000 times and they don't go down, that's not really effectiveness of the weapon either, unfortunately. So you want something that when you shoot them, they drop. that is something that, you know, kudos to the actors that have to take these hits night in, night out and convincingly fall, you know, onto a, you know, concrete floor, basically, you know, as they're taking shots like this. Sometimes they're bouncing into walls, all types of different stuff going on there. But man, when they hand you that gun, you hear that music playing. Now I'm going to get full copyrighted for that, either that, you know, Halloween music or that Jason music. Most likely I'm going to take the copyright hit, but I'm willing to do that because of how effective it was in this atmosphere. We really enjoyed this one. We'll definitely come out again to check it out. But yeah, kudos to the actors that, you know, have to take those hits night in and night out. Kudos to the fact that they, you know, they know the area, they know the ins and outs, they know how to kind of slide into different areas. They ran in on us one time when we were in resupply. We were trying to reload our guns and we couldn't. And they are relentless at attempting to get those flags because that's how they win. The first time we went through, we did not get any, we were out of lives. We were out of ammo and we were out of lives, which is the worst thing. The second time, I went through almost the entire run on one clip. Didn't even get to the second clip. I picked up the second clip as a resupply, and when I went to actually load it in the gun, that's when we hit the exit. So, really, really fun, enjoyable time we had here at Escape the Arena. Love that they're doing this now. This is a unique offering, I think, in the Pittsburgh area. There are certain things like it, but nothing really exactly like it. When you have airsoft, when you have those guns, when you have the chaos that is, you walk around, especially with like a larger group. Like we had a group of 4 on that second run, and that was intense enough. You add a few more people, like 6 or 8, and I'm sure it's wild in there. It's probably a lot going on. But that'll do it for Escape the Arena at Amped Airsoft, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to like, share, subscribe. You can support me on Patreon like John Bailey, like Brett Persing, like Faye N. You can do so. Link is in the description below. If you'd like to buy a t-shirt, a Tom Was Here t-shirt, including the new Tom Was Here Halloween haunt shirts, you can do so at Spreadshirt, as well as links to my eBay store, Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, whatnot, Arena Club. Links are in the description below. But when it comes to Escape the Arena at Amped Airsoft, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, I can officially say that my name's Tom and I was here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.